What's up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. I'm Jess and today I'm going to review the LG NanoCell 4K UHD LED Smart TV. Let's check it out. This LG NanoCell 4K Smart UHD TV is 86 inches. This TV is big. This TV looks amazing. Check out these natural, lifelike pictures of nano color and fast action. This TV has 120 Hz of refresh rate, so expect a smoother and more vibrant picture quality, and potentially better responsiveness and noticeably more vibrant while gaming or watching movies. And it has an AI picture and an AI sound with Dolby Vision and with Dolby Audio. This TV will enhance and create an immersive sound experience. With this TV right here, you can see true color. Nano color delivers. It really delivers. It's vibrant and it's accurate. Large has never been so thin. This TV is huge. Check out the edges. The edges are impressively thin. Here is the home screen. It is bright and vibrant. This TV has a lot of cool built-in features. This TV has all the latest and greatest apps built in already. You can truly turn your home into a movie theater with this TV. NanoCell TV makes all scenes feel real. With Dolby sound, it'll make you feel like you're in the middle of the action if you're watching a movie or playing a video game. Watching movies on this TV is amazing. And with Dolby Vision, it'll really make you feel like you're inside the movie. It's a really immersive and enjoyable experience. Playing video games on this TV is outstanding. It's an 86-inch 4K Ultra HD and it's a NanoCell. The display resolution is 3840 by 2160 and it has built-in speakers that are down-firing. A stand is included. We mounted the TV to the wall, as you can see. This TV also has screen sharing. Just check out the vibrant colors right here. This is an awesome picture. The connections are on the back of the TV and you're going to find 3 USBs, 4 HDMIs, an antenna input for over-the-air content, an HDMI's eARC for soundbars, a fiber optic output, a LAN connection for routers, and all connections are HDMI 2.0s. Here is your remote. It's a pretty standard Magic remote. It has your buttons on the front where you can press Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, or LG channels. As I mentioned before, this is an 86-inch TV. 86 inches. It is big. The design of this TV is elegant. It's very nice and sleek. It'll look great in any room. This TV is very wide, so your wide viewing angles are really nice. So wherever you're sitting, you have no problem viewing the TV. It's a really gorgeous and very impressive LED TV. Again, it has nano color, which makes the blacks really good. It's not OLED, but it comes really close to it. So with that being said, I covered everything I pretty much wanted to cover with this TV. If this is something you are interested in purchasing, I will put an affiliate link down below in the description box. And with that being said, all right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.